Justin Brown, babe from Australia. He came to social media world to San Diego. And Justin, I would like to ask you, how many views do you have on your videos and subscribers?
So I checked this morning, we hit 111,000 subscribers, and I think we're at 9.5 million views now. So it's growing quick. But the same with anything, the first 50 subscribers was the hardest. The first 100 were like, why are we doing this? We're creating these videos, which we feel is awesome, but not
Who was your first subscriber?
I have no idea. But we do have
your mom, maybe no?
Oh no, so that was one thing we didn't do, and that's what I would recommend. When you're starting out, get as many people as you can to subscribe, to start that ball rolling, to start getting some numbers up there. So ask everyone to subscribe.
Yeah, this is a good topic. What people can do, like the beginners? What just 3 top advice you can give them?
Yeah, I'd say the most important thing on YouTube is, I'm going to struggle for the top one, but I would say probably your thumbnails, because that's the thing. Think of it, you're walking into a bookstore, you're looking at the covers of the books. YouTube's showing you a heap of different colors, a heap of different options. You're going to look at the thumbnail first, so your thumbnail has to grab the attention. Beyond that, I would then look at the content. You need to be uploading content consistently. Like if it's one every 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and then randomly another one, people won't subscribe.
How often do you do?
We do at least one a week. For the last 3 years we've been doing one a week. We experimented with doing 2 a week. Some weeks we'll still run out 2, but we guaranteed to do at least one a week.
And what is your favorite top apps for iPhone you use? Because you do all the videos for your phone, right?
Yeah, so we do a lot of them on phones. We obviously help people with phones, so our session was here.
Yeah.
A lot of the videos on our YouTube channel we will mix between DSLR and phones. But the top phone apps, I would say Filmic Pro is one we covered in the session here. It gives you a lot more control over your phone, all the advanced features. It's essentially the features you would find on a DSLR or video camera on your smartphone, so it's insane. I think it's only around $15 too, so that would be the #1 thing on iPhone and on Android.
And what video you can advise from your library my bloggers can watch?
I would say to start with either how to edit faster or how to create high quality videos using your Android or iPhone, which is essentially a cut down version of this presentation showing you the fundamentals and a process that you can follow in your videos.
Okay, thank you so much for your tips and advice.
Very nice to meet you.
Me too.